Right, this is an Amutec Postman SDS helicopter kiddie ride. Before you ask, I am going to film this on shorts today. Before you ask, I am going to do it 3 rides. So let's just do this. Hang on, I'll put it there. Ready? Unfortunately, I don't think you can hear it because it's a bit of music in the background. Oh no, it's not. Pat. You don't even fly this. Come on. It is unresponsive. About Amutec in 2008. I done license to BBC and Wonderland Animations. Get a Snoopy over there. But it still doesn't work apparently. Oh, stay there. Thank you, camera. Camera, just stay there. Yeah, there's the 4 rides over there. Just thought I'll do this. Because I kind of like this ride, actually. Look, he flies this, but he doesn't. He thinks he's a pilot, not a postman, for some reason. So yeah. I don't want to play those rumble cards over there. I thought yours Pat's not on his way. Yeah, I know I've got 2 more rides, but that was supposed to play a helicopter key ride by Amutec and Mablethorpe.